Welcome to Dataddo, the platform that moves your data from any source to any destination. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Salesforce to Power BI using Dataddo. If you don't already have a Dataddo account, create a free account using the link in the description. Once you're on the home screen of the app, click the Flows tab at the top. Then click Create Flow and give your flow a name. A flow in Dataddo is a connection between a data source and a data destination. Salesforce will be my source, so I'll click on the left side of my flow to create it. Click Create Source and find our Salesforce connector. Then authorize the account you want to connect. Next, select the API version you want to use for the extraction. If you want, use our Salesforce Object Query Language Wizard to automatically generate a query, or write a custom query in the next step. If you use the wizard, select an object, any attributes you need, and the data extraction period. On the next page, you can modify or write the query. Then, I will choose my sync frequency. Under our free forever plan, you can sync data weekly. Under our paid plans and 14-day free trial, you can sync it more often. Before you finish, you can test your data. I am using a dummy account, so there is nothing to see in this example. Then click Save and your source is ready. Next, I'll click on the right side of my flow to create my destination. Find Power BI in our connector library. Here, you can preview your data and set any data quality rules for monitoring and filtering. After you've created your flow, the final step is to configure Power BI to receive your data. Go to Get Data in Power BI and click Web. Expand the pop-up window to see the advanced options and copy the info from Dataddo into the required fields. Finally, click Load. Voila! You'll now be ready to start analyzing your data.